From a young age, I've always had a love of 18th century American furniture. I love antique furniture. And it's something that I've toyed with, tinkered with all throughout my life. I carry that over into my professional life. But as the business grows, it's not just antiques anymore.
At Brendel Restoration, we serve a diverse clientele. Private clients, estates and estate managers, law firms, financial firms, the finest GCs, renowned designers, and government institutions. And our relationship with each and every one of them is of the utmost importance to us.
Brendel Restoration's mission is to provide the ultimate quality to our clients. I've assembled a group of superior craftsmen.
Each person here really cares about the piece of furniture or woodwork that we're working on. It's actually important to do it right, make it look right, and make the client happy.
We accept nothing less than perfection for what we do.
Projects have to be done on time for us. That's important so that the client gets what they want, when we promised it to them.
If it's wood and there's an issue, people contact us.